entire 3 or 4 minutes was about our panelists and praising them. So thank you very much first for that. ये बोलते हैं ना, जब खुद पे माल नहीं है, सामने वाले ऊपर रोने से माल हो जाएगा. So I'm really proud to be sitting on this side of the table, because even the opponents who tried their best had to praise them at the end of the day. And that is an indication for all of you on whom to vote for at the end of this. And now the actual top is coming to demolish. They'll disappear after this.
Before Air Marshal Kapoor comes in, and of course Dr. Hari's been alluding to the amazing work of the Indian Air Force. The Indian Air Force always protects everyone. They don't bomb anyone. And that is the ethos. And therefore, Dr. Pawan Kapoor will also obviously talk about protection. But Hari, we are so grateful to you for recognizing the love this team has for you. And it is in that spirit of love and affection that we invite Pawanji for his closing remarks.
Okay, good morning everyone. There's one more bullet point to this. We do not doubt their intellect, but we are worried about your sheer innocence. They are still in the reporting systems, which we formulated in 2006. The same standards have changed the reporting systems into management systems, not reporting. Okay, so I think we must all applaud their innocence. And of course to Lalu madam, kya khoob lagi. Yes, she knows. Okay, we all must have a story, because session before this was a story. So I must tell you the story and a journey of a safety reporting system, how it actually happens, and why we moved away from reporting systems to management systems. This story will tell you, it happened in the NCR region a few years ago. And what does the story say? A young nurse on duty saw an anxious patient, rang up the doctor. The patient is very anxious, roaming around the ward and disturbing everyone. So what should I do? The doctor said, give 10 milligram of diazepam orally. She went and gave 10 milligram of IV diazepam. Patient got sedated and fell down. Incident occurred. Safety incident occurred. It was reported. Because the reporting system was in place by NAB standard. Report. After the reporting was over, analysis was done. Were you not aware of the verbal order policy? Yes, I was aware. Were you not trained? I was trained. Do you know the fall prevention protocol? Yes, I know. Okay, so your word. Then the final trump card. Report and deport. So this poor nurse got deported. She exited from the organization. What lesson it taught everybody? Dear my colleagues, don't talk, you will go into shock. Now let us ask certain questions. Do safety reporting systems serve as a measure of safety? How many of you say they serve as a measure of safety? Please raise your hands. How many say they serve as a measure of safety? So nobody says. Nobody. Correct. Because they're random data. It depends upon the whims and fancies, on the vigilance, on the honesty and integrity of the reporting persons. 7% of adverse events are reported in the world. Not my report, WHO report. They don't report, under-reporting. Why? Because fear of retribution, fear of litigation. Tomorrow I tell you, hey Dr. Ajay, you are wrong. You made an error. I'll give it to the press. My God, you are finished. Your career is finished. Will you report? No. So this is what has happened. There are no surveillance measures of safety. Let's go to the next one. Next question. Do they serve as tools for comparisons? They should have something. Do they serve as tools of comparison? So you have got some errors. Can you compare? Let's take an example. What do you make out of this example? The oncology unit has had 112 medication errors. So you are called Chai with Dr. Anupam. 112 errors. Hey, gear up. Please, wake up. Wake up call for you. So what you do? What does the oncology department do? Next time they come down to 15. What they had chai pe charcha? In actuality, oncology department had a good reporting culture. They were doing double check all the time, recording all the near misses and reporting them. So they had a good safety culture. They had a good reporting